Hey guys, today we're looking at my FOCALLURE 3-piece 2-in-1 eyeshadow and eyeliner pen. So these are a super creamy formulated eyeshadow, basically on a stick. So I love to highlight either my brow bone or use it as a overall shadow on my eyes. They glide on super smoothly, no tugging or anything. You can see as I'm going back and forth along my eyelid here. And this shade collection I did was Champagne Dream, so it's shade 1, 2, and 3. I'm just using the 1 right now. If you apply too much or you notice it creasing or anything, I purposely didn't apply a primer or anything because I wanted to show exactly how it applies without a primer. So I like to just kind of smudge it out too if I'm blending in any of the other colors. So I had shade 1, and then I worked my way to shade 2, which is a little bit more kind of a champagne base, and then the shade 3 was the darker one at the corner. You can see they just look very, not glittery, it just got like a nice kind of almost like wet looking shine to it. Super gorgeous, can't recommend it enough. Definitely check it out, they're hypoallergenic as well.